has been a minute since I did a video because of that. I plow roads for the state of New York, so anytime it's snowing, I'm pretty much owned by that barn. Was supposed to get called in this morning. Haven't gotten a call yet, so we're gonna go make some baits. I got a package that just come from Spike It, so yeah, I can't wait to get into it. There's supposed to be some glow stuff in there, a couple new colors because we're gonna change up the color schemes for this season. So it should be good. Stick around, and I'll see you when we get there. What up? All right, so we're in the shop. Got my package here. It is already open, but I haven't looked at it, just my brother. So go ahead and see what's going on in here. This is from Spike It, aka Lure Works. Here's something everybody pretty much has been wanting me to do. Super glow stuff. So we're gonna offer a bunch of glow color combos. This stuff is ridiculously expensive, so hopefully this goes a long way. This was like 40 bucks just for this little tiny little bag. So yeah, got that. Got a couple of pints of colors that we're gonna go through a bunch this year. White 104, chartreuse 108, and brown oxide 113. We're gonna take the brown oxide and use that to replace another color that we offer right now. I just thought it looked a little bit better. Then we got some other kind of cool stuff for the panfish / ice fishing lineup deal. We got some hot pink, some like school bus yellow color, some more UV dye, and then some more mint brown, because that's a color that we get asked to do a lot for custom orders. I went ahead and bought some neat looking glitter. We got some 062 copper string. Thought that looked pretty good. We got some 062 black string. I don't know if you could, probably can't really see that, I guess, but whatever. We got some sparkle pearl. Kind of like takes on whatever color you're mixing it with and just makes it into a pearl color. Some 125 black string glitter. I think that's gonna work out real well in like swim bait patterns and stuff. We got, what is this? Blue highlight powder. There's about 20 or 30 people I know of that are gonna freak when they find out that I've got this stuff. That's gonna make the Gobi color come great together. That'll be everything we wanted and more. Some pearl white. Most of the pearl powders and stuff are just what we go through a bunch of when we're doing swim baits. A lot of pearl colors and swim baits. Some avocado 115. Never used it. No idea what it's gonna look like, but the demo picture seemed like it was half decent. And then another 4 ounces of black, just because we fly through black. All that's left is our handy dandy little receipt there. They itemize everything for you real nice, so you know exactly what you're paying for what, how much of what you're getting. You check it all off. Full deal. Sweet. Let's make some baits. Alright, so today what we're going to be doing is shooting the 2-inch epic backup bait. We call it the Harvester Grub. We're going to be doing a core shot today, adding to the lineup on the website. We're going to do a black shell with a pink center, or a pink core shot. So basically, to start this off, we're going to take some black dye here. I'm going to go ahead and add 6 drops of just plain black to 1 cup of plastic. And we're going to go ahead and take some .015 black flake and add about a half a teaspoon of that in there. Go ahead and give that a stir just to give it some shimmer. And that glitter will also kind of darken that color up a little bit. Okay. You're going to want to make sure that your core shot pegs are all where they need to be and that they're all lubricated up. I just use worm oil, just a standard worm oil, to make sure that the shells slide off it good. Get it locked up in your vise here. Take our injector, make sure it's clean. Make sure you got gloves on. This stuff is really hot, can't stress it enough. I got burns all over my hand, scars all over the place. It's not anything to mess around with. Go ahead and draw that up. As you can see, it's kind of that kind of see-throughish color. Go ahead and shoot this. Steady pressure. Go ahead and let off, top our sprue off, shoot the excess back into our anchor cup. And then give it about 35-45 seconds here, and then we'll crack her back open. Okay, it's been about a minute. As you can see, the plastic's already hardened up. Safe to the touch. Go ahead and pull the top of that sprue off. Set that down. Pop the mold here. See, they all come out pretty decent. It's a little bit darker than I was hoping to get, but you're just going to go ahead and take your rod, grab one end, slide those guys off there just like so. And then you've got your shell. I'm going to go ahead and do this, probably 10 more times. And then I'll get back to you. So enjoy this time lapse here. Okay, got a cup and a half of hot plastic here. Got our LureWorks hot pink. Now I want to make this really thick so that way it stands out inside the shell. So I'm going to put, like, I don't know, ballpark 30 drops in there. I mean, like, I want this sucker to be really, really dense in color. We're going to go ahead and mix this up. I don't know if you can see that here. Just try to get a good consistency on it. Looks like we may need even more than that. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and add some sparkle pearl to it just to give it kind of a sheen. Maybe, I don't know, a 1/4 teaspoon or a 1/2 teaspoon of that. It's going to kind of allow light to reflect off it a little bit better than the water. And just kind of give it one of those qualities that you're really looking for in a panfish bait. Then we're going to go ahead and add some of this glow powder here. The glow color is blue, but to my understanding it does not change the color that you have mixed. So we're going to go ahead and open this bad boy up. Look around for my little scoopers here. Grab my, clean it out a little bit, I guess. Grab my 1/4 teaspoon measurement here. And I'm going to fill that about halfway. I don't know if you can see that or not. Go ahead and put that in there. Seal this back up. Don't want to lose any of that. It's like gold. And just go ahead and mix that in there. And make sure you mix it real well. You don't want any clumps in there or anything like that. Okay, and as you can see, that did not change the color of that at all. Things are looking pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and darken that up just a fuzz more. Okay, we're ready to shoot. Go ahead and grab my injector here. Make sure it's all cleaned off and free of that black. Don't want any contaminants here. Draw some of that up. Here's what the color's looking like. And shoot. I'll hold some steady pressure here. Make sure that all the pockets get filled. Make sure I don't have any denting or anything like that. And go ahead and top that sprue off. Get our excess back in that cup. And I'll be right with you in about 45 seconds to a minute. Go ahead and pull this bad boy out of here. Pull the top of our sprue off. Go ahead and set that down on the table there. And let's see what we got. That right there is going to be a crappy magnet. And if all went well, they should glow sapphire blue. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish off the rest of these and enjoy round 2 of the time lapse. Hey, so I had to take a break and go do some sheetrock work, but they turned out pretty good. I couldn't get any video of the baits glowing because I guess I just don't know how to work the camera. But yeah, so they glow good. I got pictures. The thumbnail for this will be a picture of them glowing, and I'll probably find a way to slide them in there somewhere in the video. Just FYI, the giveaway for the baits for 50 subs is up on Instagram and Facebook. If you haven't seen that yet, make sure you go check it out. It's worth the entry. Had a bunch of happy people with our giveaways so far. It's legit, just so you know. Apparently a bunch of people do fake stuff, but not us. We take a lot of pride in giving stuff away and giving back to everybody that gives so much to us. So yeah, make sure you get your fill on that. Every time we double our sub count, we're going to do a giveaway, and they'll progressively get bigger and bigger and bigger. So at 100 subs, be ready for another giveaway. It'll probably be, I'm going to guess it'll probably be pike season by the time that milestone comes around. Could be wrong. Hopefully you guys prove me wrong, but I'm guessing it'll be somewhere right around crappie season or pike season by the time something like that happens. So yeah. I guess this is my outro. Sorry I had to cut it short, but when duty calls, you gotta go. So, thanks so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. Please leave a comment if there's anything you really want to see done. As a creator, it's kind of hard to pinpoint what the people that are watching your stuff want to see. So if you have any ideas, please let me know in the comments, or on a comment on a video, or a photo on our social media, or whatever. And I really appreciate it. Peace out, tight lines.